So we are going to deal with the unsolved problem, or the question answers which are there in the textbook at the end of the chapter. So we have completed a circular motion part of rotational dynamics. We are going to now learn what are the MCQs with the question answers and the numericals from this session. Read the first MCQ. When seen from below, this word is important. We have we have seen, we are observing from below. Actually, the reality is always we observe from the top. Okay, in this case, we are observing from below. The blades of the ceiling fan are seen to be revolving anti-clockwise. Then this is very important. Then when it is observed from below, it is it is seen to be anti-clockwise, and the speed is decreasing. So this is important. The next thing, the speed is decreasing. So these three terms are important. We are observing from below. The particle, it is performing anti-clockwise circular motion, and the speed is decreasing. Select correct statement from the directions of its angular velocity. Angular velocity is nothing but omega, and angular acceleration, which is nothing but alpha. So if you remember the diagram, this is suppose the two circular motion. I am going to draw for clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. So in theory, we always rotate the object or circulate the object in anti-clockwise direction. So in this anti-clockwise direction, since the particle is moving in anti-clockwise direction, according to right hand thumb rule, the omega, it is what positive. Omega, it is what positive, and it is what upward. So this is what omega, it is positive, and it is what upwards. So in anti-clockwise direction, this is what anti-clockwise. This is the direction of omega bar. And since it is a clockwise direction, this is what a clockwise direction of circular motion. According to right hand thumb rule, omega will be in downward direction. So this is the omega. Omega is negative, and omega, it is in downward direction. This is what the direction of omega. So this is what omega bar. Right? Omega. So what we have to note is omega direction. Omega direction is given by right hand thumb rule. So according to right hand thumb rule, if suppose the curved fingers, it denotes the direction of the motion of the particle, the thumb will give the direction of the omega. So अगर आपका curved fingers right hand consider करो, curved fingers if it is moving in anti-clockwise direction, omega, it is upwards, and curved fingers if it is moving in clockwise direction, omega is downward. Now this all thing, this upward and downward, this is what clockwise. This all thing is observed whenever the particle, it is rotated from top. From top, if suppose we are observing from anti-clockwise from above, it is anti-clockwise from above. It is, this is what clockwise from above when observed from top. Okay, so whenever it is observed from the top, the particle, it is performing and clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay. So let's see what is the effect कि above और below में क्या फर्क पड़ता है. अगर वो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज है तो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज ही रहना चाहिए हमेशा. We will see this. The next is the direction of alpha, because यहाँ पे दो चीजें पूछी है. एक तो एंगुलर वेलोसिटी, आपने एंगुलर वेलोसिटी ओमेगा का डायरेक्शन बता दिया. अभी क्या बचा है? एंगुलर एक्सेलरेशन अल्फा. So angular acceleration alpha, the direction is given by, it is same as omega bar. The direction of alpha bar is same as omega bar if speed increases. But if speed decreases, it is opposite, or it is what opposite to omega bar if speed decreases. So I hope you remember the things that we have studied in the basics lecture of सर्कुलर मोशन. अल्फा का ओमेगा का पार्ट जब भी हमने पढ़ा था तो हमने ये देखा था. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? द स्पीड इज व्हाट डिक्रीजिंग. सो अल्फा विल बी ऑपोजिट टू दैट ऑफ ओमेगा. अल्फा, इट इज व्हाट ओमेगा का ऑपोजिट रहेगा. दिस विल बी व्हाट अल्फा. So this is what alpha bar. And in another case, alpha will be opposite to that of omega because the speed is decreasing. So this is what alpha bar. So क्या है यहाँ पे? The speed is decreasing. Speed is decreasing. That means it will be opposite to omega bar. If the speed decreases, so alpha bar will be opposite to omega bar, right? Now, what is the effect that? Okay, so is Ashish is able to join? Ashish आया है क्या? आशीष है, okay. Ashish is there, okay. ठीक है. So, speed is decreasing. Okay, so alpha and omega are in opposite direction. So alpha and omega are in opposite direction. Now let us understand the consequence of above and below. Okay, the importance of above and below in this case. So this is suppose a circular track. This is what a circular track. Now in this on this circular track, the particle it is moving like this. So आपके हिसाब से क्या लग रहा है ये कौन सा डायरेक्शन है क्लॉकवाइज या एंटी क्लॉकवाइज
Clockwise.
दिस व्हाट क्लॉकवाइज ओके दिस व्हाट क्लॉकवाइज सो आप देखो ये क्लॉकवाइज है क्लॉकवाइज है क्लॉकवाइज है मैं इसको धीरे धीरे घुमाऊंगा उसके बाद में आपको बताना दिस व्हाट क्लॉकवाइज क्लॉकवाइज नाउ व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन
एंटी क्लॉकवाइज
नाउ दिस इज व्हाट एन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज ठीक है तो पहले आपको लग रहा था ये साइड से देखोगे तो दिस इज व्हाट अ क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन एंड इस तरफ से देखोगे सो दिस इज व्हाट एन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन करेक्ट नाउ so the things are going to change if suppose it is what observed from above or below so generally we observe from above ठीक है ना जनरली हम लोग कहाँ कैसे ऑब्जर्व करते हैं above से ऑब्जर्व करते हैं so whatever is the thing observed from below above उसका ऑपोजिट रहेगा अगर below एंटी क्लॉकवाइज है below एंटी क्लॉकवाइज है मतलब above क्या रहेगा above रहेगा clockwise above will be what clockwise above is what clockwise so we will be using the case of clockwise now so clockwise case is correct clockwise from above clockwise mein omega it is in downward alpha is in upward direction so what is your answer
B.
option B very good so option B is correct angular velocity downwards angular velocity is in downward direction and angular acceleration is in upward direction okay so option B is correct you can take a screenshot of this then I will move to the next question क्योंकि आपको फिर उसके बाद में याद रहना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से तो आप एमसीक्यूज तो कुछ सॉल्व नहीं करते रहेंगे आप अभी समझ गए बट थोड़े टाइम के बाद में अगर मैं पूछूं आपसे तो आप फिर भूल जाओगे तो इसलिए स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो देन वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन डन विद द स्क्रीनशॉट ओके so I'm erasing all these things